Hi everybody, Alex here at seekoptics.com with a quick tutorial on how to remove and replace lenses in a full metal frame that requires the undoing of 2 screws. Very simple process. First, what you will need is one tool, and one tool only, and that's the screwdriver. It's a small optical screwdriver. It's just big enough for the screws to fit on the sunglasses, and it's available on eBay, Amazon, or even it comes as a kit in drugstores like Rite Aid, CVS, and such. So what we do is we take the frame, open up the temples, hold the frame with the screw, which is right here, facing you. Go ahead and take the screwdriver and turn counterclockwise maybe 3 to 4 times. This will be just enough to loosen the lens so you can remove it from the frame. Just like that. And the same goes for when you're putting the lens back together. Put the lens back into the frame, and don't worry, you still have that screw there. This time, put your screwdriver back, clockwise now, turn it until it's nice and tight, and you're all done. All you have to do is now use your Seek Optics microfiber cleaning bag to clean off your fingerprints. And you're all set. And that is how you replace the lenses in a full metal frame. Thank you, and don't forget to visit seekoptics.com.